Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss what is an algorithm and its purpose. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is an algorithm and its purpose? An algorithm is a set of steps or rules that are followed in order to solve a problem or accomplish a task. It can be thought of as a recipe or a set of instructions that are used to accomplish a specific goal. Algorithms are used in a wide range of applications, from computer science and engineering to finance and healthcare. The purpose of algorithm is to provide a structured approach to problem solving. They allow for the efficient and effective processing of large amounts of data and can help to streamline processes and increase productivity. Algorithms can also be used to improve the accuracy of decision making by providing a framework for analyzing and interpreting data. One example of the use of algorithms in computer science is in the field of artificial intelligence, AI. AI algorithms are used to analyze and interpret data, recognize patterns, and make predictions. These algorithms can be used in a wide range of applications, from natural language processing and computer vision to robotics and autonomous vehicles. Another example of the use of algorithms is in the field of finance. Financial algorithms are used to analyze market trends and predict changes in the stock market. These algorithms can help investors make informed decisions about when to buy or sell stocks and can help financial institutions manage risk. Overall, algorithms plays a crucial role in modern society and are used in a wide range of applications to improve efficiency, accuracy, and productivity. For the reference that I used in my presentation, Corman Th, Liserson CE, Rivest RL, and Stein C. 2019, Introduction to Algorithms, MIT Press, Russell S.J. Norvik P. 2010, Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach, Person Education, and lastly, Hall GC 2017, Options, Features, and Other Derivatives by Person. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video or presentation about what is an algorithm and its purpose. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.